I'm going to do a quick review here of this little sound system that I got through Amazon.com. It is the budget sound system. I've tested it. It seems to work. I'm installing it in this HPI RS4 unit. I've got it plugged into the receiver. Of course, you have to dismount your receiver and bring your cord in, your Y adapter, which it comes with a Y adapter. Goes to your ESC, which I've got my ESC plugged into one side of it. I've got the Y adapter plugged in, making sure that the black is on the black side, the red is in the middle, and the white is on the control side. I'm going to go on the HPI Ken Block Mustang, the Unicorn, and I'm going to mount the control box and the speakers into the body. Okay, well, this does come with 3M double-sided mounting tape. Alright, they give you a generous portion of it. I don't think it really would take all that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this one in two, and I'm going to save this one piece, and I'm going to slice this one and put it on each speaker, and then I'll probably slice this piece also, maybe into fourths, and put it on the control. These speakers are going to go on each window side. Okay. The way the speakers are cut out on these cases are pretty nice. They've got a beveled edge on them to where they will actually mount in here and be pretty much so out of the way. I like that part of it. Of course, they do have the mount screws or zip ties. You can zip tie to your chassis if you want. As you can see, I've sliced the long piece in two, one of them, and I've put it on the bottom side because it's going to stick down there. Now, you want to make sure that you wipe these things off because you do know that they do have the mold grease in them, or on them, so you want to make sure that your body's clean. You want to make sure that those back sides are clean so that your double-sided stick tape will actually stick. Simple to do. Just take yourself a good clean rag, just slightly damped, okay, and make sure that they are good and clean. And it goes on something like so. One thing that you do want to make sure of, that when you go to put these in, that they are in the spots that you really want them at. Because this 3M tape, it sticks good. What I've done is I put two little pieces on the back of the control module. Alright, all my control buttons and stuff is back here, the volume's back here and stuff like that. But see, once you stick that down there, it's there. It ain't coming out. It ain't going nowhere. When you put these speakers on, make sure that you don't push on the speaker parts themselves to adhere. Make sure that you push on the chassis and keep backing up on the back side with your hands. As you put them in, make sure that you push down like that. Not on the speaker itself. If you poke a hole in that speaker, you know what happens to the speakers. Now, like I said, I bought this for a crawler. However, after knowing that it's not waterproof, and I do run my crawlers in streams and water and stuff like that, I decided to go with one of my cars, on-road cars, that I don't really go into streams and things with. I've got it all plugged up. This little cord right here is what you plug in your control module with and all that. Got a battery put in here. This is all stock control circuit. I'll turn on my radio, of course, turn on the transmitter, and then we'll turn on the car. That's what it sounds like right there. Doesn't sound bad. Of course, it's got different functions. It does have a loudness control and all that, but I think it sounds pretty awesome in that Ken Block Mustang. I really do. You do have a volume control knob on this unit right here. Where I've got it mounted, it makes it a little difficult to get to, but see, that's about halfway, and that's full volume right there.